Hi, let me show you how to easily create a packing list for your export shipment. As an example, let's say that I'm an exporter based in the USA and I've just shipped one pallet of LCL cargo to my buyer in Australia. So at the top, I can select the exporter from my list or click Create New to create and save new company details. So I select ABC Exports. The consignee I will select from my list. Please note, not all fields are required on this document. Method of dispatch by sea, type of shipment, LCL, vessel and voyage number, port of loading is Long Beach, port of discharge, Sydney, date of departure, final destination, Sydney. On the right, I can enter my export invoice number and date. I can also select or enter bill of lading, buyer reference, or other internal reference numbers. If a third party is involved, I can click here to select. Country of origin is United States. Country of final destination, Australia. I can add any additional information to the packing list here. Then I enter the product and packaging details to the packing list here. I can click to select products from my list or click Create New to add and save new product details. So let's say I have shipped some bar stools and some bar tables together on one pallet. Unit quantity of bar stools is 40. Unit quantity of bar tables, 15. Then I enter the kind of packages and number of packages here. I have shipped one pallet made up of these products. So kind of packages is a pallet. Number of the packages is 1. The net weight of the package, gross weight of the package, and the total cubic measurement, 1.7 cubic meters. If I want to add more products into this pallet, I click Add Line. If I have separate pallets or packages, I can click Add Packages and enter the product and packaging details here. At the bottom, the product and package details will total here. Then I can add any additional information to the packing list. Then I sign and date the document. Place of issue, Long Beach. Date of issue. Signatory company is my company. Name of authorized signatory is my name. Then I can sign the document using my mouse. Or, if I have already created my profile signature, I click Use Profile Signature to insert my signature automatically into the document. Then I reconfirm my reference number at the top. And that's it. Click Save, and the document will be generated. On the left, the document will show exactly as I created it on my screen. On the right side, I can click to download or print the document here. And I can open and view the PDF document exactly as I created it on my screen.